sauce. It's very disgusting. Rachel here is going to eat it, and so will I. It's very nasty. Oh my goodness, low battery.
Okay.
Okay, I need another fork. Oh, I know where they are. These are her utensils. Okay. Okay, so we need to figure out where we could set you. Okay, Rachel will go first.
What?
Or do you want me to go first?
I don't know. I'll go first.
Okay, go first.
Oh,
Rachel is gonna eat this nasty stuff that she already knows she hates. I hate it too.
I already ate this. It looks like. Oh, fuck. Oh my god!
What is this thing?
Come on. You have to eat 2 of them. 2 whole. I have to do it too.
Is it bitter on cake? This is a fork with 3 thingies. Do you see it? Zoom in on it.
Okay, Rachel, you only have half of one down. You gotta eat that, plus a whole another one. Eat this one right here. This one out in the middle.
Why in the middle?
I don't know, to make it harder. What are we gonna do with the rest of this? Come on, this is already 2 minutes in.
I'm trying.
That's loud.
Hurry up!
That's really loud.
Do you want to win $5 million?
No.
Because
You're so weird.
it's available for $2.50.
I think.
I'm not kidding.
Just take your fingers. Yeah, that's better. Okay, did you eat 2 full ones?
Kissy.
Okay. No, I've got it. What the fuck kind of fork is this?
Small one.
Okay, I'm not eating that fat one. These are horrible. Are they yummy?
Are you okay?
Delish. Yummy.
That's a lot. What?
This is so gross.
Why are you? Never mind.
I think I may throw up. Really?
Where's my iPod?
Back up. Thank you. Good day. This is hard enough. No one needs to hear you farting on Facebook. These are nasty. I'm not eating that.
Did you eat 2 full ones? Alright.
What? Oh, where's the
Guys,
Oh, water tastes even worse.